Reasons why you should buy Z215E. Energy saving and high efficiency. The flow of main pump can be automatically adjustable to realize the flow proportion control of actuators and reduce power loss of pump flow. Stable performance. Equipped with Cummins turbocharged engine to ensure strong power output and less pollution. Robust and durable undercarriage. Heavy-duty undercarriage design service life is more than 15,000 hours. Convenient operation. Advanced valve control system. Gentle cushioning device during operation. Achieving more coordinated movements. Long control levers. Wholly new electronic control system. And operating interface. Reliable work equipment. Large profile, high tensile structure. Support adopts castings and fudgings. Bucket tooth plate adopts high tensile and wear resistant steel.